This is a complete step-by-step guide for beginners. No bank account required. Open your browser and go to www.paypal.com. Or download the PayPal app from the Play Store or App Store. Make sure you're on the official website to avoid scams. Tap the Sign Up button. Choose Personal Account. This is best for everyday use like sending and receiving money. Click Get Started. Next, choose your country from the drop-down. Scroll through the list and tap your country to select it. Now, input your phone number to move to the next step. Check your phone, you'll receive a code. Enter it or check your email if it's sent there instead. Now, create a strong password to keep your account secure. Once you're done, click Next to move forward. Now enter your personal details. First, middle, and last name. Don't worry if you don't have a middle name, you can skip it. Great! Now hit Next and let's keep going. Next up, you'll need to enter a few more details. Just fill in your ID information and birth date to continue. Next, add your address. You can use the map to quickly find your location or type it in manually. You can also review the user agreement and policy statement. Make sure everything is accurate, then click Agree and create account. Great! Your PayPal account is now ready. Let's click Go to Shopping and check it out. Here it will ask you to add a card, but if you don't have one yet, you can simply skip this step. And just like that, you're now on your PayPal account. Even without linking a bank, you can receive money from friends, clients, or online platforms, store money in your PayPal balance, and send money using your available balance. Without a bank or card linked, your account may have sending or withdrawal limits. Some transactions may be restricted, or you may be required to submit a valid ID. If you already have a bank account, just log into your PayPal, go to Wallet tab and link it. Type your bank name. PayPal will automatically fill in the bank code. Then enter your account number and you're good to go. This will remove limits and make your account more secure. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more easy tutorials.